Good day all. It's just gone past 6 and I wanted to come out and show. First of all, I hope you can hear the cacophony of sound. The gulls are out. I think a few more of the migratory seabirds are starting to return because I'm hearing more of their songs. Algernon is proud out in the center of the harbor in his bright white, keeping an eye on his land. But I also wanted to show, again, I'm always amazed, the view is ever changing and the colors are always magical. And people would think an artist was taking liberties with the paint box, but I wish you could see the colors in true life. The plum purple of that low cloud over the horizon line, and its reflection in deep purples into blues on the seabed, or the sea itself. It's so beautiful. I'm always getting color inspiration from here, and yet here we see the deep purple dark cloud. And as we pan this way, before the sun's come up, look how we get the apricot peach of this higher cloud setting over the woods in the neighbor's house. The tide is out, obviously. Spitting Rock is almost completely exposed. Algernon's flat rock has a nice top. I'm sure he'll be using it soon for breakfasts. And the rock I took you down to before, where I sometimes make little vignettes with miniature furniture, is open and is actually the perfect setting to do that now, because as the water is receded, the little holes and divots around the outside stay filled with seawater. But I hope you can hear that sound, and I hope you can see that beautiful color. I can't think of anything other than deep plum, like an Italian prune plum, freshly picked. There goes Algernon. And a pair of geese are over there. And you know what? The last few Saturdays, a couple I wasn't able to post because of computer issues. And then last Saturday, I got rather used to it and enjoyed having the day to work on other things and get Sunday's vlog ready. So I think I'm going to just share this little moment. Again, I say little far too often. This brief vignette of my morning. Probably close to 6:30. Sun not quite up, since we've changed our clocks. Gulls out for breakfasts. Deep plum clouds. And look at the soft blue and apricot peach. And then the golden ochres of the dying back seagrass. It's a gorgeous Saturday morning, and all's right with the world. Well, most things are right with the world. But I hope this brief little moment of quiet and my view makes for a happy Saturday. Until tomorrow, stay creative. Cheers. And I'll let you enjoy the view.